Hi friends, welcome back to Cookbook. I am Chef Amit Jha. Today we are going to do is a Tiranga rice. So that's going to comprise of your saffron sweet rice, followed by a cheese and a paneer rice, and lastly a palak rice. So we are going to start with is a saffron rice. So now our white rice is nearly cooked. We'll take it off the gas and we'll drain off the water. We have strained the water and now we are going to add saffron color to make a saffron rice. We'll add, now the color has been mixed, we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of elaichi powder. And a few strands of saffron. We'll mix it well. Switch on the gas for a bit so that the sugar melts. You can see the color is becoming more and more darker as the sugar will keep melting. Even the kesar leaves its natural color. Our rice is done and now we are going to start preparing the next one, which is a paneer cheese rice. So friends, now we are going to do is the second part of a Tiranga rice, which is cheese and cottage cheese rice. We'll start with 1/4 teaspoon butter. Our butter has melted. We'll saute it well. We'll approximately we'll add a pinch of white pepper. Paneer is sauteed well. Now you add your cheese, approximately 3/4 of a cup. Once the cheese starts melting, you add your rice. Switch off the flame and keep tossing it until it's well mixed. The cheese is completely melted. Now you can remove the thing. Now you can remove the rice and keep it aside to plate it. So now we are going to do the third part of the Tiranga recipe, which is the palak rice. We'll start with 1 tablespoon butter. 1 cup onions. We'll saute it till it's transparent. We'll add half a tablespoon of garlic, half tablespoon ginger, and half tablespoon green chilies. Half teaspoon kitchen king, half teaspoon salt, add a little bit of, we'll add approximately 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lastly, I prepared some boiled rice and added green color to it. We'll add this to our palak dish. After mixing, you should cook your rice on very slow flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Our palak rice is ready, and now we are going to start plating our Tiranga rice. So now friends, we are ready to plate our Tiranga rice. We will start with the saffron, sweet rice, followed by a cheese rice, and lastly followed by a palak rice. And we'll add a little bit of cashew. Our Tiranga rice is ready. So now our Tiranga rice is ready. Enjoy your Independence Day. Jai Hind. Please do like and subscribe our channel, Cookbook.